Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hello Kitty dressed as a mummy. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start on the top right and let's draw the bow. Let's start with the circle. And then on top, let's bring it up, down, and back around on the left. And the same thing on the bottom right. And now inside each side, let's draw a curve. Now top inside the right, and let's draw two curves going down. And then two across on the left side. And that's it for the bow. Now let's move over and let's draw a curve over to the left for the top of the head. Then let's curve it up and back down for the left ear. And then two on top of the bow for the other ear. Now let's bring it down and curve it in for the sides of the head. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start with two ovals for the eyes. And then color them both in black. And now top to the center, and let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. Now top out, and let's draw three curves going out on both sides for the whiskers. And lastly for the head, let's add the bandages. Let's start next to the bow, and let's draw a curve over to the left. And then another curve down underneath. Now let's move inside the left ear and let's draw a curve across. And then another one underneath. And then next to this line, let's draw a curve over to the bow. Now let's move over to the right ear and let's draw a curve down. And then let's hop out next to the bow and let's draw two wavy lines down and out. And close it off at the end. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw two curves down and out. Now let's hop in and let's draw two long curves down for the sides of the body. Now let's move back up next to the shoulders and let's draw a curve up for the thumbs. And then a larger curve back in for the hands. Now to finish off the body, let's move down to the bottom and let's draw a line in the center. And then curves across to close off the bottom of each leg. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and let's draw the bandages. Let's start with two curves across the body in the center. And then two curves inside each arm. Now start in the top section on the top left and let's draw two curves down and over to the right. And then 2 more going the opposite direction, bringing it behind this piece of bandage. Now at the top, let's draw another curve down and continue it behind. And then 1 more lower over here. Now let's move down into the right leg and let's draw a curve across. 1 underneath going the other way. Another one to the right. And 1 more down to the left. And then 2 curves inside the left leg. Lastly, underneath the right hand, let's draw 2 curves going out and close off the end. And that's it for this Hello Kitty mummy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!